Hello everyone, today is a 5-part and this is sculpting on a nut. I will explain why I do it. Look at the pictures of the real nut of my dumbbell. As you can see, on different part of the nut a completely different surface. Let's try to create this in 3D. For this I chose the textures. We will use them in the brush setting. First, apply bevel and subdivision modifier and add a new multi-resolution modifier. Increase the level of subdivision 4 times. Careful, this is super very high poly model. Before sculpting, I set up a brush. I will set the parameter front face only. In the texture setting, I will select the view plane from the mapping list. In the stroke setting, I will choose uncharted. This will allow you to choose the scale of the pattern every time. Turn off symmetry and reduce the value of the strength of the brush. First, I select a texture with the line around the area. I draw it on the upper side of the nut, as in the photo, and I add it to the thread. Next, I select a texture with horizontal lines and adjust parameters. I rotate 90 degrees and change the scale along the XYZ axis. I draw this texture on the side surface on the nut. Next, select the smooth brush, KS, and process the edges. It will be easier then to work with another brush in this area. I chose another brush, clay strip, processing her edges. Back to the draw brush. Select the dense texture and draw. Repeat this with other textures. And on the underside, we will draw stretches by selecting the desired texture. We turn to baking normal maps. In the previous video I talked about how to prepare the model for this procedure. Link to the previous lesson in the upper right corner. Select the high poly model and then the low poly model and press the bake button. Check if there are brown parts. If any, increase the value of ray distance. Well, that's all. All models are ready. In the next part or in the one part we will do the materials in Quixel Mixer. I don't know what the timing will be. Write in comments if you mind if the video is more than 5 minutes. Thank you all and take care of yourself.